In this video, I'll show you how you can schedule a post on WordPress. What you want to do is open up your admin dashboard, head over to all posts. Now, if you want to do it on a post you already created, you want to select here and press edit. And if you want to do it on a new post, just add a new post. Once you've done this, what you want to do is click here on the right hand side where it says publish, click on immediately, and you can change it to any date. So if you select this one, it will be tomorrow at 8 p.m. and then you can just close it down and press schedule. Now obviously there needs to be some sort of info or anything in here before I can do it. So I cannot post nothing. So just type something and make sure it's a legitimate one, and then simply press schedule and it will be scheduled. So basically that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.